How to download YouTube videos on mobile. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download YouTube videos on your mobile. Firstly, open YouTube app on your device. On YouTube, make sure you are signed in to your account. From the bottom panel, tap on your U tab. In your U tab, go to Get YouTube Premium. With YouTube Premium, you can easily download YouTube videos on high quality. As you can see, under features it is available. If you don't wanna have a premium version of YouTube, then also you can download YouTube videos but in low quality. Tap on the three dot icon next to the video that you want to download. Select download video, and as you can see, it will get downloaded in low quality. To see your downloads, go to the download option on the U tab. As you can see, the video has just been downloaded. If you want to get it in high quality but you don't want to pay premium, then you can simply watch the video and also screen record at the same time. Roll down your notification bar and tap on the screen recording option. This way you can screen record the whole video. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.